grilled summer vegetables with a little tahini dipping sauce. So I have all these beautiful vegetables from the garden. All right, now watch how easy this sauce comes together. So in the bowl, we have tahini. Tahini is just like ground sesame. It's almost like, think of sesame peanut butter. To that, I'm gonna add some ice water. This kind of helps long-term fluff this up a little bit. And also when you add liquid to tahini, it seizes. So this is just kind of getting it ready for the season. The ice water just helps with all of that. We're gonna use the juice of 1 lemon, a little bit of sesame oil. And I'm just pouring everything through here because it's set up. And depending on how much heat you want, anywhere from a ½ teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of Aleppo. Pinch of salt, a little bit of cracked black pepper, and we just start whisking this up. And it's gonna seem very loose right now, but it will tighten up as it sits. I'm gonna start cutting my veg, and the key here is uniformity, because that way they cook evenly. If you get random sizes, you're gonna be in trouble. So we're gonna grab our eggplant first. I'm gonna get these on the grill first because these take the longest to grill. I like to just do these in half when I grill them, and I just run my knife through them and make a little hatch in there. It's gonna allow the olive oil to permeate it a little bit. Then we're gonna season these up. So extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper. These are gonna go on the grill. Now, the grill setup here is not offset. We have all the coals in the middle of the grill because we are grilling over direct heat. We're not gonna put the lid down. We're just gonna get these on here on top of these. So you wanna build that fire about 45 minutes early, let those coals go white, then you get that nice gentle heat and you don't have to worry about flare-ups. These baby zucchini and yellow squash, we are just gonna split in half. There's already some olive oil, salt, and pepper on here from the eggplant. So you could just run these through the pool, and these are gonna be seasoned up. And then this is gonna go on the grill because these take the second amount of most time to cook.
Do different colored peppers taste different?
1 billion%. Like, I love red pepper and golden peppers. I personally like green peppers, but some people despise them. They're just totally different flavor profiles. So these pans are great. If you like to grill these like slotted pans like this, because now I don't have to worry about the flip so much. I could put these in the pan, they're still gonna take on the heat, but I don't have to pick them off individually. So pans like this work really well. Look at that. These are just about ready. I'm gonna start flipping them as we go to break. All right, so grilling away.
That looks amazing.
They were over the hot heat and I pulled them off. I made a tahini sauce. I wanna put a little bit of Greek yogurt in it. I just think it's gonna smooth it out a little bit.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go like pretty much equal parts yogurt and tahini, and then just give me a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. It just feels beautiful.
One more.
Perfect. I'm gonna put that right there. Oh, does that look good?
Doesn't it? Those are gorgeous.
All right, zucchini with a little bit of that tahini yogurt sauce. You can see the vegetables still have some nice texture to them. They have that light smokiness of the grill, the salt, the pepper, the olive oil. There you go.